So what's up guys, and welcome back, and today we are modifying this Ford Ecosport into this. So kindly watch this video till end. And guys, before I start this video, if you all want to watch my previous video or my first vlog, so click here. And if you enjoy that video, don't forget to hit that like button. And the main thing friends, support me, support my work by clicking the subscribe button just below down this video. कर दो subscribe कर दिया. And now you can enjoy this video. So the first thing I did on this car, I just removed the things which I don't need, like the fog lights. I removed the fog lights, and after that I also removed the grille. And after removing the fog lights and the grille, the car is looking so ajib. But no problem, the Mustang is here, so I'm installing the grille from Mustang, and the grille is looking so good. And guys, as you know, Lamborghini is my favorite car and my dream car also, and the car which come on second position is Mustang. I just love Mustang. The shape of the car, the sound of the exhaust, everything, and it doesn't matter it came from the past or from present. I just love every single Mustang, every single. So hashtag Mustang love. And now you can see I'm also installing the front lip also, and here I'm doing a little bit of editing and some adjustment and some minor detailing. And guys, there is only one problem with this modification, is that I decreased the ground clearance a little bit, because you can see I installed the front lip, I did some modification on the bumper, so that's why the ground clearance it's decreased a little bit. And here I changed the lights also, and these lights are looking so perfect on this. And if you also like this change, hit that like button, just go and hit that like button. And I just did a little editing over there. I just cut down the bumper to the length of the lights, because the Mustang lights are little small for this, and although the front is almost complete, and the front is looking so gorgeous. And now it's turn to give this car some new muscle tires, and the tires I'm using on this car are also from Mustang. And you can see here I'm just doing some adjustment and a little bit of editing. And here I also attached the side skirt on this car, and I said earlier that the ground clearance will be decreased a little bit, but that's not a problem, so don't worry. And I did some brush work and some detailing work. And as you know guys, the detailing work is very important in Photoshop, so just keep this in your mind. Here I give the shadow, so the car seems a little realistic, and the car is half done. So I changed the color from yellow to dark green. And guys, if you know why I did this color, so just comment down below. And as you can see, I'm just removing the unwanted color from lights, grills and windows. And guys, I want to tell you one thing also, the modification I'm doing here is possible in real life, but after getting three things. First, a good amount of time. Second, a good amount of money. And third, an awesome workshop. And if you get all of these under one roof, so this car can be done as same as I'm doing today. So guys, the modification is coming to its end, so it's time to give this car a new exhaust. So I installed the exhaust on its side, just trying something new. And if you guys like this exhaust, hit that like button. And now you can see I'm just doing some detailing work, and I gave this car some yellow stripes on its roof, on its hood and on side. And I just did a yellow color in its alloy wheels. And after that I give this car a small GT sticker. Now I am showing you the final image of this car with the background, and the final image is this. This car is looking so gorgeous. And guys, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and just comment down below and tell me you like this modification or not, and share this video with your friends. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I need your support, and new video is coming soon. So till then, stay tuned and peace out.